Right now we're at Marshall's and I found some jelly that we're gonna get. I'm gonna see if we can make these eat. And we also found some scrunchies like hair bands, and there's a bunch of other toys. There's also puppets here, but a bunch of people bought them. That's why there's only 3 left. There's a bunch of other cool toys. Welcome back to Catherine and Justin's Chinese class. You're gonna be opening some toys.
这是你在哪里买的
So I got this at Marshall's. Justin got that. Did you already open it?
？TJ Maxx 对吧？你买多少钱
$7.
？$7.99，7.99。Justin 来3.99，是不是？
Yes.
好，我们打开吧。
Justin already opened his, so we don't have to.
你这是什么玩具？
It's a weird. Weird. Alright. Well, that's satisfying. Okay. So we have the instructions. And stickers. You don't get the stickers. They go on the thing. Yay. So first of all, we have a jelly component thingy.
jelly.
We have another one. Do not eat it. We have a bunch of glitter. What is this? I need to open it. I don't have scissors. Okay. So apparently these things go on this, but I need to open it first. Okay, so we got a bunch of stickers that Justin cannot have. You got it?
What are these?
Stop it. So we have 2 molds. And a butterfly one.
你要可以放上去上面。
I think it'd be way safer if I put it on this one. Okay. So I'm just gonna. Oh my god! Why is this thing so hard to open? Okay, I can't do that. Okay, we're just gonna do the other stuff.
来 ，Justin， 你帮他打开。
Okay. And then we have this cool thing.
这什么东西
It's a mold. And then we have 5 of these. 2 of these. 3. And we have a bunch of stickers. Please take this.
Sticker 贴纸。
Okay.
Oh.
Justin, can you? Yay. Do it. Okay. The stickers out. Oh my god, these stickers are so cute. Okay, and then we have another thing, and we got 2 baggies that I don't know what are in. But I guess we'll find out soon. Okay, first of all, I need to open these, and they're very hard to open.
What is that?
Jelly. Can you help me?
No. Justin, do it.
Nah.
看你叫 Justin.
No. Do it, or else I'm gonna take your pocket. Okay, shit. Ooh, the left side. Hey. No, you have to do it for me first.
No. Justin.
So I guess I want to make a cherry one. So I need this small bowl. This one. That's not the small bowl. Wait, that is. Okay. So then I need this small mixer. And then it's supposed to go around like that.
看一下，拿过来，放到这个里面。哦。
I think, can this fit better or something? Oh. This works. Okay, so I'm gonna need a jelly.
果冻。
So I'm just going to
这不能吃哦，只是玩具。
And I'm going to put in some jelly.
Okay.
It's kind of like glue. Getting. Okay, I think that's enough. Close that. I'm gonna put in some glitter. What glitter should I get? Do you know where I put the pink glitter? There. Okay, since we can't find it. Oh wait, this is the pink glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the edge open and put in the glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna put in more because I want to make green since I'm making a cherry one. So I'm gonna put in some more jelly. Oh no, it's going at the other side. Okay, so that's enough. And I'm gonna take some green glitter because green is good for the the stem part, I guess, even though it's actually brown. Okay, I'm gonna dump in the green. That's enough. Okay, and then we swirl at least 10 times. 1, 2, 3.
你要放到这个上面弄吗？
4, 5. Oh no, it's mixing together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we have to go the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope I did it correctly because I don't want it to mess up. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in there. And then I need to put it in the mold. Where did I put the mold? No, it's this one, yes. Okay, so I just need to put it in carefully. Whoa. And we should wait it to dry for 15 minutes so I can make another one. Whoa, this is kind of glittery. Okay, should we make another one, Justin?
No.
Dude. Okay, I'm gonna make, how about I make a medium one? Oh, don't touch that one. How about I make a popsicle?
OK， 好，你在做那个冰棒。那贾斯汀今天是打开了什么玩具嘞
He opened a puppet, but he doesn't want to.
？You puppet 是个狗的 puppet。
Yeah, he
啊，贾斯汀
loves.
今天写的什么中文？
Okay, I wrote pop.
好，
I'm just
竖起来看一下。Pop 是叫什么中文？
Pop.
也可以叫安家，也可以叫流行一些都，
Yep.
它是有很多解释。那第二个嘞
Dog.
？Dog 是什么？
狗。
狗，你的狗在哪里？
Here.
对了，那第三个嘞
White.
？White 是什么？
白色。
白色哦，哪里是白色？
Right here.
对，白色对。好，我们佳佳继续做吧。
Okay, I was just adding more jelly. And I want to make a popsicle that's rainbow.
啊哈，
So I'm going to first go with a pink, which is the first color of the rainbow. I'm going to use up all the pink this time. 9 and 10. Okay, so I finished this. I didn't do much because I only need one little bit of it because it's only a bit of rainbow. Because I still need room for the other colors. So I just need to put it in. Oh, so cute. Actually, I don't want to do a rainbow for some reason. I want to do unicorn colors. Okay, so I'm going to do some blue now. So I'm going to get the mixer. Where's the mixer? Oh, here it is. I'm going to wipe it off a little. Okay, put it back in. Even though there's still a little bit of purple, I guess it can still work. Okay, so I'm going to open the jelly and dump in the jelly. I want to make a clear one, but all these are kind of messed up. So I guess I'll use the big one. Where's the big mixer? Oh, well, that's the medium. Where did the big one go? So I might make a clear cactus, and I'm going to make it clear with only glitter in it because that would look really pretty. I hope I'm not running out of jelly, but I have 2 capsules full of it, so. I'm using the large one because the other ones are kind of full with other stuff, and I don't want, since I wanted it clear, I don't want anything basically in it, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. No, my hands are getting all jelly. Okay, I want to use some more gold glitter, so I'm gonna. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so I want to dump it in here. Up. Come on. Still going. Okay, I think it's coming. So I'm going to start over here in the edges. I don't know if this is enough to fill the whole thing. Maybe I should make some more. I don't know. I don't think I have enough to fill it. Maybe I can scoop some out. Where's the small mixer? I mean, add more. I don't want to run out. More glitter. And then the large one, because the small one won't fit because it's too small. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think that'll be enough. So then, might be more than enough, but you'll never be too sure. Okay, see. I can put this on a ring if I want. Okay, so then you put the edges. Oh yeah, that's enough. I think. Yeah, that's enough. Ah, so cute. And I had to wait 15 minutes for that to dry. Okay, so maybe we should make one more before I do my Chinese. Let's do a small, no. I made a lot of small ones. How about a big one? I'm gonna do a butterfly.
好，我们准备做一个蝴蝶，大蝴蝶。
I'm gonna do this glitter this time. Okay, so do we have enough in here? Okay, good. Since there are already some gold glitter in here, I guess I can do more. Because the gold and the silver probably look really pretty. Open. I hope I don't use all of this. I think that's enough. Actually, I'm going to add a little more because this is a really big one. And I might not make enough, so. Is there more? I had to fill it to the line. Oh. I think that's enough. Maybe. Okay, so I'm going to cut open the glitter. This glitter is actually really pretty. And I'm gonna dump it in. And then I also want some purple glitter in it because it's gonna look like a galaxy butterfly, which is kind of what I want. Okay, and then maybe I'll add some blue too. Okay, the big mixer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna dump it in. I hope I have enough because it's a really big one. No. Oh yeah, I actually do have enough. Ugh, my hands are getting all jelly, but okay. Ugh. Okay, now we'll have to wait 15 minutes for that. And maybe I'll make one more. I'll do like this last one before I do my Chinese. So I think there's no more in this one, so I'm gonna use this one. Open. My hands are a little oily. So I'm going to put in some orange glitter. So let me put that in. And then I'm also going to put in some yellow glitter because orange and yellow cupcakes just sounds really fun. Okay. I might also add in some confetti for fun. Okay, let's mix that together. Wait, that's the wrong one. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that's pretty. This jelly looks really pretty already. Okay. Then I'm going to dump it in. Okay, still going. I think this is a lot for this tiny thing, but I got a lot on my, but they're setting, so now I can do my Chinese, so I can't touch.
这些都是哇，好漂亮。
First is jelly,
jelly 果冻。
because this is a jelly. Oops. Colors.
color 颜色。
A lot of colors. Glitter.
glitter 是什么？
金粉。
闪光，金粉。
And black. There wasn't
Black,
really
黑色。
Pink. There's a lot of pink.
pink 在哪里？你的衣服是 pink 吗？
Yes. And then purple.
purple 是什么颜色？
紫色。
紫色在哪里？
There and there.
Okay.
That's all for today. Please subscribe and like. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Look at these really beautiful jelly creations. You've used this jelly to dump into the mold, and then you can make really pretty creations, but only if you mix it well. Watch this video to find out how I make them. You want to learn how to make these beautiful little jelly thingies? Watch this video to find out how I make them. You want to learn how to make these really pretty jellies? Watch our video to find out.